Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are a gamer and you're looking for a great gaming monitor that has a lot of extra features. So this was sent over by a company called SANSUI, and it is a 27-inch WQHD gaming monitor. As you can see, it's set up here right next to me. It's gonna come with this little box right here. It's gonna come with everything you need to get up and going. So if you have a computer that uses, I think the DVI connection, it's gonna include that cable. Obviously, it's going to include a power cable. This connection's on the back. You can also hook it up via an HDMI cable, which is how I have that hooked up because my laptop doesn't have the DIV cable. But you got multiple ways of connecting it via the back. Now, most importantly, let's talk resolution for gaming and its features for the gaming aspect of it. So this monitor is a 2560 by 1440 resolution at 300 hertz. So that refresh rate is really fast, which is obviously important when you're playing games, especially first-person shooters, because it allows you to get very, very precise. As far as the coloring, it's very, very rich coloring. And like you would expect with any type of monitor, you can get into the custom settings and tweak it and change it how you want, whether you want it movie mode, whether you want to make it brighter, whether you want to make it less. You can fix those as you choose, which is great. Now, the panel itself, it is an IPS panel, but it does support HDR. So if you do like the HDR aspects of it, you can choose to turn that on and off depending on your computer support. Now, you will notice super thin bezel all the way around it, except for at the bottom. It does have a 6mm bezel. So basically you're looking at the main screen and it's working great. No glare issues. It's got a nice actual screen element of itself. Now, as far as a lot of the actual features in the menu, very easy to control. You simply press back the little joystick button and you're gonna be able to bring up the menus and the controls. You're gonna have your game mode, your AI crosshairs, change your input between the HDMI and all those fun features, and then also obviously the exiting. But this thing can do a lot of different features. So for example, if you're wanting to get better like racing and whatnot, or maybe you are doing competitions in like Fortnite or something like that, you can set it up to where it will do a timer mode, helps you keep an eye, and it'll have a timer clock up in the corner. It also lets you fully adjust the black levels, so it makes it easier to see. I have not noticed any issues with tearing, so it has this anti-tearing built into it. No issues also with flickering when playing various games. As far as support for screens, you can actually set this monitor up to do a split screen. So it does support PBP screen, which is basically taking your screen and dividing it in half if you have the two input sources. Or you can also do the PIP mode, which is basically having your screen floating in the corner. I don't really utilize those, but it does have those features, which is a nice aspect of it. Now, as far as the stand, obviously it's adjustable, so it can fully go up and down, and then it can easily rotate forward or backwards depending on your angle. And you can even rotate it basically to where it's a vertical. So if you do prefer a vertical format, you can do that. It's up to you how you want to position your monitor, which is nice that it does support both of those. Now, this is a Versi capable monitor. So if you do choose to mount this, you can mount this. It does have the Versi 100 by 100mm connection on the back. So if you wish to ditch the stand, you can do that. It is up to you. Now, as I mentioned, it is a 27-inch monitor across the diagonal, but to give you an idea of the overall width of the monitor, it is at 24 inches wide, and then it is about 14¼ inches tall as far as the monitor itself when it comes to the size. But overall, it's a great little gaming monitor. It has a lot of features built into it. Basically, it's a plug and play, but especially with the gaming stuff, you can even do like the AI where it gets those crosshairs automatically for your basically what games you're playing, gives you a little bit of upper edge, if you will. So if you're looking for a great gaming monitor, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.